Hello, dear students. Today we are going to work with equivalent fractions. Equivalent means the same. The fraction that represents exactly the same amount. To understand, let's observe the cake. This is a whole cake. The whole cake can be divided exactly into two equal parts. So I'm going to place 1/2 here and 1/2 here. That will be fine. But I can divide that half into even smaller parts. In here, I divide it into 1, 2, and 3. But these 3 out of 6 is exactly the same as 1/2. So 3 sixths is the same as 1/2. Observe that the numerator is exactly half of the denominator. In here, first I'm going to divide the chocolate into 2 equal parts. Right? Easy. We say that 1/2 is exactly as 3 sixths. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 sixths is exactly the same as the half. But even I can cut them into smaller pieces. And I continue having the same half. So in here I will have 6 out of 12. And 6 out of 12 is exactly the same as the half. So, but not all the time I have food to find equivalent fractions. In your virtual room, you are going to find this paper that represents the fraction strips. Let me help you. Let me show you how to use it. So first, we represent the ones. Then we have halves, thirds, fourths, fifths, sixths, sevenths, eighths, ninths, tenths, 11ths, and 12ths. So I'm going to see which fractions are equal to 1/2. I am going to use the ruler, so I'm going to place my ruler exactly in the middle, and I'm going to see which fractions go exactly in the middle, and I count. 1/2, is it the same as 1/3? No. Is it the same as 2/4? Look that in here we have the line. 2/4 is the same as 1/2. 3 sixths is the same as 1/2. 4 eighths is the same as 1/2. 5 tenths and 6 twelfths. So not all the times I have this paper to find equivalent fractions. So let's go to the board and find one easy way. So if I have one fraction that is 1/2 and I want to find an equivalent fraction, what I'm going to do is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. What number? You decide. Let's start with the 2. You decide, but obviously pay attention that it's not 1 or 0.